Hello, teacher Cesar. Today I want to reflect on what really matters in life using true perspective which is studied. Critical view for music and the inspiring message from Steve Jobs. I apply this idea to life in Colombia. First song like Where is the Love show the problem that many society face. Violence, inequality, discrimination, and lack of opportunity. Colombia takes use a real many people struggle with poverty, limited access to education, and social injustice. This shows that one important factor in the life is use and qualify because without the people cannot grow. On the other hand, still just speech teaches us something different. To follow our passion and use our time wisely and stay true to ourselves. His message tells us that even in difficult environment, people can create change if they believe in their dreams and work with purpose. When we combine both perspectives, we can understand life in Colombia better. We need solidarity because many countries in case depend on each other to service. We also need resilience. Science Colombia often face change but continue fighting, and above all, we need hope and courage because change starts with a small action. Conclusion, and what truly matters in life, especially in Colombia, is using opportunity, passion, resilience, and the courage to dream. And with purpose and these values, we can build a better future for ourselves, for the country.